Hey, it's Calum McAnally here from Mix 103. It's time for another edition of Classroom of the Month presented by Town & Country Plumbing, Heating, Electrical. So we're going to treat the grade 4 class here with a fantastic pizza party. Thanks to Family Pizza for supplying the lunch, Kona Ice for the dessert. Wrapture Spa and Boutique is awarding the teacher with a fantastic prize, and thanks to Factory Optical as well. We are here with Ada. Ada, how's it going today?
Good.
Good. What are you learning about in school?
Well, I started a project on Heritage Fair, and I'm writing about Laura Hamilton, the artist.
That's really cool. And Laura Hamilton, what does she draw, paint?
She paints like murals, and when she was young, she painted a mural on the wall in her house.
Really cool. And what did what mural did she paint in her house?
It was of the Lion King.
And what's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela, what are you learning about in school today?
Division and Heritage Fair, and yeah.
Cool. And are you enjoying the cold day that we've been having?
Definitely not,
Why not?
because it's boring.
I am here with Clark. Clark, how's it going?
Good.
And what grade are you in, Clark?
Grade 4?
Grade 4. And what is a grade 4 class learning about in February of 2024?
So we're in science. We're learning about sounds, and so we each get to pick a different thing that produces sound. For me, I picked the saxophone because it's one of my favorite instruments.
Do you play the saxophone?
No, but I've been wanting to for like 2 years now.
Clark, the future saxophone star. I am here with Aubrey. How's it going, Aubrey?
Good.
Good. What are you guys learning about in school lately?
We were working on Heritage Fair, and we're writing an essay about it, and we had to do a very boring title page.
Title pages are boring, hey?
Yeah,
What makes your title page the most boring?
because it's all black and white, and it just has the title and my name and the date.
Hey, that sounds exciting to me.
No, it's not very exciting.
Oh, well. Are you excited for the pizza?
Yeah, very.
I am joined by the teacher of the Classroom of the Month, Jodi Kearnes. How's it going, Jody?
It's going pretty good. Little couple days of indoor recess, but after this, we get to go outside.
Exactly, and the kids are enjoying their pizza right now. We're just having so much fun. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your class, and do they deserve Classroom of the Month?
Funny you asked that question. Of course they deserve Classroom of the Month because they're a great group of kids. Now, one of our grandmas nominated us, and she knows that I was sick in December, so she was like, this would be great for the class for a little pick-me-up and for me because I was away for so long. And when I was gone, amazing things from these kids. So I'm very proud of them. So yes, they do deserve it.
Oh, that is so great to hear. It's Calum McAnally here asking the hard-hitting questions to Bryn. Bryn, how do you make tacos?
So, you have to get some burger meat. And then when you have the burger meat, you have to put it in a pan, and then you have to cook it until it sizzles. And once it sizzles, then you have taco meat, and then you have to get tortillas or hard shells. And then you put cheese, the meat, cut up tomatoes if you want, and lettuce. And that's how you make tacos.
Do you make tacos at home?
A lot.
Do you put the tomatoes in them?
Yes.
That's awesome, because I don't. I'm here with Chloe, who's part of our Classroom of the Month. Chloe, how is the pizza?
Good.
Good. And what are you guys learning about?
Division and I don't know.
You're not paying attention in class, and you admit that right in front of your teacher? Uh-oh. Anything else to say for yourself?
No.
All right. I'm here with Lucas, who's wearing a pink shirt because it's Pink Shirt Day. And Lucas, tell us about Pink Shirt Day. Good words. And do you have something you want to show us?
I make goats in the school. That is a story that is good in their class, and I just made 10 with my friend Jackson.
Awesome. Do you want to show us or?
Goats Invade the School is our book.
Goats Invade the School is our book. Nice. I am joined here with Olivia. How's it going, Olivia?
Amazing.
That's good to hear. And I see you're also wearing a pink shirt. Can you tell us a little bit about Pink Shirt Day?
I probably know that it's supposed to represent a special day for bullies should go away and you should be kinder and stuff like that.
Yeah, bullies should go away, hey?
Mhm.
And Olivia, did you enjoy your pizza today?
Yeah, it was amazing.
I am here with Bodie, part of our Classroom of the Month. Bodie, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Good. Did you enjoy the pizza today?
Yep.
That's good to hear. And you're a big 49ers fan, I see.
Oh, it's Chiefs.
Oh, sorry, a big Chiefs fan. And you played for the Chiefs, correct?
I played on the Chiefs at flag football last year.
Go Chiefs, go. I am here with Lila, part of our Classroom of the Month. And Layla, you just spent some time in Arizona, and now you're back to the cold weather. How's that going for you?
Terrible.
So I take it you don't like the minus 30 wind chill much.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that?
Because it's freezing.
Yeah, I agree. And did you enjoy the pizza today?
Yeah.
I am here with Sawyer, part of our Classroom of the Month. Sawyer, how was that pizza?
It was amazing.
It really was, wasn't it? Did you have cheese or pepperoni?
Cheese.
Cheese is the best flavor of pizza. You can't top it, hey?
No.
And what are you learning about in class?
In art, we're creating music and we're recreating Kevin P.A.'s pictures.
I am here with Riddy, part of our Classroom of the Month. How's it going, Riddy?
Good.
Good. Did you enjoy your pizza?
Yes.
And what are you learning about in school?
Subjects.
What kind of subjects?
Subjects.
All the subjects are what we're learning about in school at Classroom of the Month.